Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set search icon and label option in taskbar in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the search option. Here I have clicked it. So here the settings, click here. So go to the personalization where we get our things. So in below we'll go to the taskbar, click here. So here the search option, we want what we want, the search icon and label. So here the things has been revealed. So see here the task icon, see the task icon and label. Label means box inside the search written things has been revealed in this section. So in this way we can set the thing search icon and label. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.